Everyone, good afternoon, sir. We are the group 1 and we would like to present our presentation. It's all about bar graph and stock area chart. Um, this is the bar graph that we're going to discuss since it is the cases of the year of 2020 of COVID-19. So, what is case comparison? Case comparison showing COVID-19 cases in the year of 2020 across different WHO regions. The data is visual using a combination of bar graphs and a stock area chart showing the progression of cases over time from February to May. As we can see in here, um, the Americas have a high cases since it is from May to March 1. Oh, to March 1 to May 1. And it present that the Europe is the second of all the cases that is showing in the bar graph. And the Africa has the lowest also. It is just from April 1 to May 1. As we can see, case comparison have uh, have uh, have different kinds of country, just like Americas has the highest cases, and the Europe is the second cases, and the third is Eastern Mediterranean, and that is how you will see the comparison of the bar graph of you showing this. So I'm gonna
Good afternoon, Sir Stephen. And for me, is the chart shows COVID-19 cases in different regions in 2020. The Americas and Europe had the highest number of cases, while Africa had the lowest. Cases increased rapidly starting in March 2020 and peaked around April. Especially in the Americas and Europe, this shows that COVID-19 spread unevenly across regions during the early months of the pandemic. Thank you, sir.
Martin Mike.
What is COVID-19? COVID-19 cases refer to people who have been confirmed to be infected with the coronavirus based on medical testing. This includes those with mild symptoms, severe cases, and those who have been hospitalized. It is important to count cases so that health organizations can monitor the spread of the disease and take appropriate action. Sir.
And thank you, sir. That's all for our presentation, sir. And the members of our group is Alag, Abeo, Alcaraz, Aguirre. And that's all, sir. Thank you for listening of our presentation.